Hello everyone, this is Mohammed. I'm a Java trainer in JSpiders Punjagutta. Here we have Poojitha, who got recently placed in the company, and she will introduce herself.
Hello everyone, my name is Poojitha Nalla. Basically, I am from Warangal. I have recently completed my graduation at Ramdev Engineering College, which was located at Warangal, with 7.15 CGPA.
Okay. So when you have joined here?
Month of February 26th.
February 26th. How you got joined here?
Actually, my sister was here, so she informed me to join.
She referred you, okay. So she got joined here.
Yes.
Very good. Okay, it's been 6 months for you also.
Yes.
So you have finished most of the syllabus.
Yes.
Okay. And for every classes, do you attend the presentations?
Yes, sir. I have attended the presentation as well as grooming sessions.
How they help you to crack the interviews?
Actually, before we crack any interview, we don't know the exact pattern of what company is going through. So it helped me a lot.
Okay. Next, aptitude sessions.
Yes, sir. Aptitude sessions were taken with Vaibhav, sir. So he told exactly the what pattern and what were the questions are going to ask in a particular interview.
So they have created crack the interviews. Okay. And next, how you have improved your communication?
I improved my communication based upon the presentation and the technical presentations classes are going on. So based upon that.
So very well. So you got placed finally.
Yes.
Well, congratulations. All the best.